Hey everyone, Mark here from Blumoo, and today I'm super excited because we are going to dive into something really cool and pretty useful for those of you looking to stay active while working from your desk. Yeah, that's right. I'm talking about the best under-desk treadmills. You know, the ones that you can just slide right under your desk and walk your way through your workday. So whether you're working from home or you've got an office setup that you feel could use a little health kick, I'm going to walk you through, no pun intended, my top picks. And we're going to talk about their features, the pros and cons, and, all that good stuff so you can make an informed decision. And remember, if you want to check any of them out for yourself, you can find the links right down there in the description. So let's get that heart rate up a bit, shall we? And jump right in. So, let's talk about the Lifespan TR1200 DT3 under-desk treadmill. First off, you're probably looking at this because you want to stay active while you're, grinding away at your desk job, right? And this is a pretty solid choice for that. The TR1200 DT3 is kind of like a workhorse among under-desk treadmills. It's got a sturdy 2.25 HP motor and a decently sized walking belt, which is great because you don't want to feel cramped while you're trying to walk and work. The thing users really seem to love is the quiet operation. Yeah, you can actually take calls or, participate in Zoom meetings without everyone hearing the whir of your treadmill. And don't worry about it distracting you either because it's pretty smooth, so you can easily focus on your work. But keep in mind that it's a bit on the heavier side. So, if you're planning on moving it around often, that might be a bit of a workout in itself. Now, the console is kind of neat. It tracks distance, walking time, calories, all that stuff. But it's not attached to the treadmill, which is a plus because you can place it wherever it's convenient for you. The downside, the TR1200 DT3 doesn't come with an app or Bluetooth connectivity. So if you're a tech nerd wanting all that data synced to your devices, you might feel a bit left out. But overall, for a sturdy, reliable under-desk treadmill that, just helps you get the job done, it's definitely up there. So, right off the bat, I gotta tell you, the Rhythm Fun Desk Treadmill is a really neat option if you're, trying to stay active while you're stuck sitting at a desk for hours, One of the coolest things about it is just how slim it is. I mean, when it's folded, this thing can slide right under your desk, which is super convenient if you're short on space. And there's also this smart remote and the Fit Show app that it comes with, so you can track your workout stats easily, which is a huge plus. Now on to how it feels to walk on this treadmill. Okay, first thing you'll notice is that it's pretty quiet. You're not going to be that guy who sounds like he's stomping through a jungle during a Zoom call, which is, let's be real, pretty important if you're working in an office environment or you're on calls a lot at home. The walking belt's got a nice cushion to it too, making it comfortable for long sessions, which is good for your joints and stuff. But yeah, nothing's perfect, right? So the trade-off for having a compact treadmill is that the speed maxes out at 3.7 miles per hour. This isn't really the treadmill for a hardcore runner's workout, but more for those of us wanting to stay moving with a light walk throughout the day. It's a trade-off, but definitely worth considering if your main goal is to reduce all that time you spend sitting down. So overall, for the price point and the features it offers, I'd say yeah, it's a solid choice for an under-desk treadmill. So today we're looking at the Go Plus 2-in-1 folding treadmill. And right off the bat, it's pretty neat because it serves two different purposes. You can use it as a regular treadmill, or fold the handrail down and slide it under your desk to walk while you work, which is super convenient for those of us who are trying to fit a bit more activity into our day. Its space-saving design is a big plus because, not everyone has a ton of room for exercise equipment at home. The build quality, well, it's decent for the price. It's got a sturdy frame and the belt feels pretty smooth when you're walking or jogging. There's also this multifunctional LED display that shows your speed, time, distance, and calories burnt, which is, helpful for tracking your progress. The noise level is also quite low, so it won't disturb your work or anyone else around you, which is Definitely something I know a lot of you might be concerned about when considering an underdesk treadmill. Now, it's not all roses. The speed maxes out at about 4 miles per hour with the handrail folded, which means no running. But if you're mainly looking for something to keep you moving while you're sending emails or coding or whatever, it's a solid choice. Just keep in mind, if you're a serious runner, this probably isn't the treadmill for you. But for easy walking and light jogging while multitasking, yeah, the Go Plus 2-in-1 could be a pretty good fit. Alright, so today we're looking at the Urevo 2-in-1 Underdesk Treadmill. And right off the bat, the thing about this treadmill is it's super versatile. You can actually use it as an underdesk walking treadmill or flip up the arms and turn it into a running treadmill, which is pretty cool for those of us who work from home and also want to squeeze in a workout without, having a separate space for exercise equipment. The build quality, it's pretty solid. It doesn't shake or wobble when you're using it, and that's a big plus. But one thing I noticed is the noise level. It's fairly low, which is awesome because you don't want to be that person who's, on a conference call and everyone hears thumping in the background. The walking speed goes up to, I think, around 3.8 miles per hour, which is a comfortable pace for most people when they're typing or doing other desk work. Now, there's also the LED display that shows your speed, time, and calories burned. It's quite basic, but does the job. However, it's kind of hard to see when it's tucked under a desk, so maybe keep that in mind. And storage, guys, it's super easy to just roll it away when you're done. It's not super heavy or cumbersome. Overall, I'd say the Urevo 2-in-1 is a solid choice for anyone looking to stay active while hammering away at their desk job. It's not perfect, but for the price point and the features, it's a pretty good deal. So, let's talk about the WalkingPad A1 Pro foldable treadmill. I've been trying it out under my desk for a bit, and honestly, it's, pretty impressive. The best part is how it folds up. It's super compact, so if you're short on space, this is, a big plus. Now, for walking while working, it's pretty solid. The speed maxes out at around 3.72 miles per hour, which is good, because you don't really want to be sprinting during a conference call, right? The noise level, that's something a lot of people worry about with treadmills. But this one's relatively quiet. I mean, it's not silent, but it won't drown out your music or anything if you're walking at a moderate pace. The build quality feels sturdy, which gives you some peace of mind that you're not gonna, fall through it if you've been hitting the snacks hard while working from home. And let's touch on the tech side. It links to an app, which is pretty neat for tracking your steps and your walking stats. It's not the most high-tech piece of equipment out there, but the app integration is a nice touch. Just remember, it's a walking treadmill, so don't expect to be doing full-on workouts. But if you're looking to stay active during those long hours at the desk, the WalkingPad A1 Pro is a solid choice. Alrighty, folks, that wraps up our look at the best under-desk treadmills out there to help you keep moving even while you're grinding through those emails. Or, endless Zoom meetings, am I right? If any of these nifty little machines caught your eye, and trust me, those calories won't burn themselves, be sure to check out the links in the description below. They'll take you right where you need to go to snag one for yourself. And hey, if you're still on the fence, just drop a comment down below. I'd love to help out with any questions you've got, or, just chat about which model might be the perfect fit for your deskosphere. Plus, your comments, they're like the highlight of my day, seriously. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button too. It's like a little digital high five. And when you ring that bell, you'll be in the know whenever we post something new, which is pretty much all the time. Before you click away, do me a solid and take a little scroll through our channel. We've got a bunch of other videos that might pique your interest and, give you that extra push you need to make your workspace as healthy as it can be. All right, that's all for now. Stay active, stay healthy, and hey, keep walking that walk, even if it's just under your desk. Catch you in the next one.